delight, Sompa delight.
The word for today is fastidious.
Okay.
Fastidious. And see me spell fastidious.
Yeah.
Fastidious. Fastidious. Me san kebium. Fastidious. Fastidious. So we should meaning now him say bibi e wo hwa, you know,
now him say meaning ni kura no ma sign ache ye word ba ko.
Ai words wom. Meticulous na person get
that word no eh so for Jerry tapping sugar.
Meticulous.
So after my 2 or 2 or 3 times.
Me fa so mon kai meaning I am called into fastidious.
Where can I mean?
That's okay.
I say maybe all right. Fastidious. I'll say it describes someone who is extremely meticulous, attentive to small details, and concerned about accuracy, cleanliness, or order, often to an excessive degree.
Okay.
It also refers to being hard to please or very particular. The term frequently applies a demanding, picky, or finicky nature in personal standards or work.
It's fastidious. Example, no say she's fastidious in her preparation, checking every report for mistakes. She's fastidious in her preparation, checking every report for mistakes. And only attention to details, no. About cleanliness and our order now. See, he's fastidious about keeping his desk organized.
Yeah.
He's fastidious about keeping his desk organized. Now, about being hard to please, so, a fastidious eater. Just say, in a diania, obeyama no, or you're picky. Or person we far, we will have in penny say, and any diania, asha fridge, mukram, and pe fresh one. Aha. It's fastidious. Okay, so there's the science one too.
This is just by the way. With the Diani Dia, example, am I? One should be say, we be making statements, in a statement, and such as saying, because we be or didn't intend them. Why the alcohol?
Fast.
That was just by the way.
When him say in French, those kind of words, your friend force at me.
Okay.
Force at me to say word that will be few say you say. But yes, because of the dean is any into where force at me.
What's my vocabulary?
Force at me. French. Force at me. Like I said, wrong friend. Wrong friend, you know.
About cleanliness, and so on make you because he was fastidious about his appearance.
Yeah.
Never leaving the house without a perfectly pressed shirt.
Exactly. Now when you cry a bit to me, they cut 1% a war hole. Because obi are fastidious, so making sure send a tie and sit cut 1%.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kata name maybe.
Yes, Katashi.
I was Anthony's neighbor.
Maybe I want them to break out. You say no word near fastidious, and no word near fastidious. And that is that on Sompa. Delight.
Wait.
Entrance and can be beer because when him say me use lipstick where maybe 24 hours wear into and can't be beer. But once I would dear oil abeka one no a break is our property no.
Okay.
It's a wound no my dear 2 ways. In a Saudi tissue ever dabe one no song no kakra.
After 1 month before.
There be before I will be no more glass no. Oba dabe one no one no more glass no. And now say wo no ma. Now this you ha. Wo san be fan no ma. Share particular sports now no me no. Neko
okay.
This is what happens. So one yen sa ube wie no na nkwa wan no print.
Aye glass.
Esenia wo vote e Ghana. A team baby so. Obia be hu intimpacho.
Okay.
Men just say you are too safe with or lip staying away you so. Once it comes in contact with oil, best is a property. Intimpacho will no match. Try as much as possible to drink from the particular spot.
Okay.
Na ube red lipstick up waha down waha na a painting hunia. It doesn't speak well.
Na Mr. Into the same no na se me who say stay near bet me up paper. Bet
me up paper, but why would you wait to do the mistake when you can bet me aswan no?
Aswan. It's what you're saying is that say me who answer na me no me paper man no.
Ebia ye won mad ye be ye de anu be to napkin so na ya kakra ne
you on Facebook
ye SS na kakra not to wipe everything off.
Okay.
Into wonum no na one particular place.
Yes, I can less. Unya yes I na.
Sir.
O pipa no kakra na less. Okay.
Now makan so say maybe a wine glass. Uti ye now we use wine glass and red wine and white wine, whichever stem one. Advisable say you hold the stem.
Okay.
Reason being that say biana we didn't suffer so oil beam and I say we pomo di bia we see when ya who cutlery one who sa. We saw glass no ma we now o handprint. Ai basa. We so enwa na we ko one. Nti advisable say stem of the glass no ubesum abra wonum insu ana drink to avoid
then I
then again ye didi
you say funny kaka na be ya ye betu mi ameti efu ati ase because we for school na be chere mission school na then na obenya we no. And when you get it free of charge like this, also to me it make the most of it. So glass na say listen, you're saying say wine glass, just say glass na what
sisi fiani binu.
Yeah, madam. But that's sisi fiano ya then I'm is the glass there of sisi fiano. So I tell for no much class abinko. And no we saw ne sisi nim.
Yeah.
Not to say Miss Shuka.
Yeah.
Also, yes,
handprints ebe tracy all over.
But who say I belong to me so as all like
and ye can check it so I Pacho
okay.
Even say ye bro red wine.
Yeah.
We are obey so tasty say yen frame we are
okay.
Oh yeah, no cry, you don't hold the glass stem now we shaking a kakra.
Okay.
Oh shall see a residue asset or say and yeah papa. No way here. What and kakra what will say glass no what shall say residue asset or say you don't take it.
Oh you say yeah correct no.
Wa busumi wa ma uradi nyankopon tinani mu nkyerɛw. Uradi tutu anamo NCA on fanyom to and shout touch them so. Now uradi nyankopon emfa sidie and shower flum. Uradi ma mama sonya ding and sne watamfo. Uradi nyankopon tutu anamo NCA. Uradi ma wachi dumpim. Uradi nyankopon tetu tata fan ko tu baby on uradi asafu Yehowa on wa she so de uko. shall come to a braboso. Yas a boning count, no how men to my dine, or pimbeto benkum, or pidubeto nifa, a didn't count what with your new one out of a shed one word going for Katia, a radian muti and torso, a radinsha and torso, a radiabaso bo, and your wabote, a radino chem, a radino catabo, a radino tipeja for, a radino temjina for, a radino register for pa, and maybe our shre, a radim fantomo, Bosumi wemu. Radima on Srewati, Radima Wadansidie, Radima Nipanus on a bow, Machacho Re, O Christo Yesu Dimo, and Yabompae. Amen.
Sompa de light, Sompa de light, any Jimbo. Oh, Sompa de light, Sompa de light, I just see a woman. Somebody like
Ini bereni waka minyame wuka sampo chire enti no seni abofu eyiwa ya minyame yensu be yiwa ya mribia free say we nyame wa
wo no enu ana wika sompa
ini bereni waka free say we nyame twedi ampo ya triwa yempo ai
Papa say you when you oh, it is a fresh new week. Mema, good. Boys, now say oh yeah, baby. Good. Good afternoon. Bijiri sa weekend na ko ye pa e ma wo. Nia osunja na onsore. If you say you nyamia ye wade. Ni to me no ebru to me nyina so. Ono ni oche sunyame no obeche amana su ye nyina ye so. I now watch it for Abba. Now watch you way and mark it the end of the month of April. Wow. She and it is so home what it. Memo wa bemu mukra memo to. So when him says Sompa delight there energy, positive energy near the brewer. And it is your best social entertainment program in the city. And I'm a producer come out say, "Oh, hell, baby, I win ya nesada." What's that? Putting me in the house. That's why I'm power baby. If I never go to the show, send ya spell words. Now you use sooner, you know, your more vocabulary. I have found her entertainment programs. Is open your visa. Ain't me ma kwaba eba Sompa delight so. Sisi ade anti adwe nya frequency no. Odi ye nya frequency no. Me train anti akosi ago abo agide no. Eno na me train. Eno ba pe na me hu so ya du. Anti akosi ame chia baby awo bia. Na me chia etiefo nyina. Oh, let me say hi to my do papa. Any lovely callers nyina, Auntie Matilda, Martha, Mama T, Auntie Grace. Nyamika Udimbia, that's the machia. In fact, wow, yes, just one day. My lovely listeners. Nyamisha Munina. Produce Hadi and tell Mama Kwaba.
You so papa international.
Sompa. I'm paying na yet Sompa. Why wouldn't you know? Oh, exactly.
Hey, sister.
And because from an opaque to another an opaque no. Near eba bua no eno na ye de ma I solid enti ye de nyame ase nesusu new week yaba na enne no there were great things, you know, to happen here. You were lady bia ene be kasa, you know, or your gospel musician or be ba kan the story yen na e be tine fefefe we say nyame otiase nyame tiase nyame tiase enti no ye lady ne beba ne na bonkomo na abedwafo so beba na ye new mo bonkomo say ye nim say Mondays they come in panel enti
enim before me no
enya asem keto ane omu ya to ho bia na
people asem adwuma bi
emu ye dudu obi beka obofoma ojeje
Reverend is in any Uncle Fred.
Anyway, so someone say at last the never see introduce you word and I Monday in Tibo Caps Corner. Yeah, they should so. Are you ready?
We are ready. Ready.
80 and now word no the last time ma Katiwampos to talk about your position. Until you are yes, I'm God.
Then come back, Cassandra, me say, and it's a was a copper wedding, but because they made them 1 year no. Makatuwampos, baby.
Now where they ban the meeting at Katuwampos as a mabano. Ways to has to do with positioning. Ain't you know, say original no Sonny Sisi. I usually a cash sugar, sugar. Only word I did describe it.
I just so boom.
Only word I did describe it. Okay.
Obia no tie onimu. I didn't work on some puzzle.
I didn't count some delight. So okay, so the word for today, akimbo. Akimbo. Me just what that. Yeah, I didn't know what.
Me now soon tie Sompa.
Akimbo. Inte AKIBO. Akimbo. Akimbo. Now when you get there, then you read Akimbo. I will try picture crowd to me sugar. Yes, sir.
Akimbo. I say describes a stance where hands are on the hips and elbows are bent outward, often signifying defiance, impatience, or authority. It can also describe limbs splayed in an awkward, crooked, or widely bent manner. She stood with her arms akimbo, demanding to know who was responsible for the mess.
Oh, I saw no sugar sane.
Why no?
Yes, just in a way, dear, explaining him simple now.
And you must have
sugar no crap on any situation. Just say, hey,
no link.
No sugar.
Sompa106.5Fm Accra.
Aye. Akimbo. If you are standing akimbo, just say what you now would do elbow na babo thing. What's so
okay, example 2. The suspect was leaning against the wall, arms akimbo, trying to look unconcerned.
Where they were for and they don't know akimbo.
After falling off his bike, he lay in the grass with his legs and arms akimbo. Wait, Sabrofi. Okay, this was not true because of everything say be nickname.
Oh, nay, me mate be nickname.
Can you imagine?
But I didn't know sugar no power.
And then I'm not touch them sugar no be to na say.
For all you know, it's not even connected.
All right, Auntie, that's the word for today.
Wow.
Akimbo. Muyusu. Yo. All right. Auntie Antadwa, yan hotel near here nko concern wo honeja. Yan fa erabanimra.
Anyway. Okay, Auntie. And a Monday, my favorite day in the week.
Why a corporate Why a corporate?
Nana na bray or me say. Me say.
I didn't feel near her.
Of course. Clack it.
Now, in fact, before you go on, Sompa the lights, can I meet you?
Sompa.
Delights. Who said, I don't know. Your son here can so how can I background no one there? There are some requirements. If you don't do, disqualified.
Okay.
I saw you to me. What me
at this point, man, if I go because be new and tell you can your person can so
simple. Thank you.
Thank you. And common doors me 2 stories na ya sorry tell. So over the weekend, popular Ghanaian actor Miki Osebekun, aka Master Richard, aka Dada Boat. I'm sure say your bo papa ni dia everybody dodo na omati any advert e ko be nyina dodo na isinisre so. Na omo de nesi hene, omasi ni hene ewo Adamrobe eno ewo Akuapem South ewo Eastern region. Until over the weekend ye installing as a chief ewo krom ho enye nkofo bebre ne call ye trese obetimi aboa ama mpuntuo se ewiase de wa ofudua padon ene ye pia and most of the time who say ye might be a celebrity be ye man additional responsibilities and no mehu the impact mahu the impact oye enti yema Miki Osebekun congratulations.
Yaman
is 2 name. Yaman is 2 name. And his 2 name ni Nana Oseboachi Yadom the second.
Wow.
Nana Oseboachi Yadom the second. Yeah, Ushiana. Boy Nana
Nana.
Enti na eja.
I see.
Ni die bi e se fata no.
Na dia mano.
Na odi amano. Na bibi etimi akokan.
O say na etimi anyera. O say na anyera.
O say na anyera.
Yeah. As a creative arts for no, ye one line bi a yeah chat interesting because do na anya sa ahenie role no nkoso hene nkoso hema say nina like you said there's na impact a we making in there we ro ho na say wunya utumi make impact a we also we nya ode because anya say ofi royal eyi nko na ye de be ma wo the fact that you're doing something that is impacting your community we won say na yetumi e de be na wo influence so wo influence so it's good because a couple of them
additional duties a challenge you some more Emma we more than your true. It's a good thing.
See, man, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay.
My last story, no, ebe rapper Sarkodie. Michael Uswado. I'm sure most of people don't even know he's called Michael. AK Obede Pombede. Ken Sack. Ose adie bi ehane pa. No who say
the producer say
baku ye 10K.
With you.
Why is on now okay?
Okay.
Why is on now?
Sarkodie.
Ken Sack.
Baku bia ye 10K.
Baku bia ye 10K.
Baku bia.
10K.
Anyway, just today.
Or say adie bi hano and of finding it very insulting. Say you invited creative art person be anyum to nim, especially nyum to for. You inviting musician before an interview near bisa and said na aside music no, do you have any proper business you are running or proper thing you are doing aside music? Proper thing to sing.
It's a music
just a music and the proper thing. Also, no, be some musician be crowd baby crown nakuma say because when say atem didi because music no a full-time job and a investment.
That's right.
Sika what you produce promotion shows organization everything and easy.
And who pass on a yenya no entio
and because you're a musician I'll say na side music no where juma papa bi away juma papa bi away as saying and to us sad dear I mean we should stop doing that and ma woman kasa akra no almost feel bad say I say the venture you are in, you know, it's not profitable, it's not recognized, but Uko baby, music a full-time job, but there are people in this country who are doing music full-time. And you know, want to me and say nipana proper job. No. It's not good. It's not good at all. And since Okasa common so no, a generating conversations on social media, you know, people trying to understand where Sarkodie is coming from because it's frustrating. It's frustrating. It was say especially for no interviewers no.
Yeah.
Musician be as asem na cry.
So apart from that,
it's a different thing. If the person has a side hustle, it's not bad.
No, to me, and maybe the way the question is posed, and I was so much because who was side hustle and bad.
Yeah.
But I was here, so the point, and since here, such that about to say music and fashion is so exactly how it is posed is the problem, but not the reason for posing it because it's necessary. What I was when you have different streams of income.
What if Nipanekran and the main business and the music, but
we be a restaurant be, we be a restaurant be, and now we be a shop be, boutique be, and now something. So
side hustle. And to want to mean because no venture ebi ankrofo yehu ebi you think say no na edit sika airbrain nipano no for you know the music ne cry is what is keeping the person afloat and then amiadom music na ntisa first no say uposi wonyom kra e wo online streaming platforms YouTube ni ade kra utiminya bibi kakra if only it's managed properly utiminya bibi kakra enti o se free na de compare so better sound community so
any I can say yo message delivered only medase ye divesti hana
Sompa
wecha obiniem
show was it one hour me day Oh, there be.
Ono abua.
Una unim rehearsal amaya ansa na metimi abebo adie.
Ada obebo no one kan chese wa rehearsal bia. Una wo kan rehearsal asem. Say madam ma she wa rehearsal la odi tu ho no gban. Una man integrate no. Oh, I tell you, me that's it.
Sompa.
Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti.
Alani Yesuti, he has the whole world in his hand. Alani Yesuti, he's the rock of ages, fire and water. Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, he's the Alpha and Omega. Alani Yesuti, he has the whole world in his hand. Alani Yesuti, he's the rock of ages, fire and water. Alani Yesuti. Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti. Alaniate, Alaniate, Alani Yesuti, Alaniate.
O say Alaniate, Alani Yesuti.
Alani Yesuti.
Oh, mini anome kia pem for somewhat. Ye nyina ye tie Sompa. Mini anome kia pem for somewhat kasa no. Yes, e chirepon ohun. Alaniate, Alani Yesuti. Na enyum dede da green. Nia obo nyumi ye friend no Dickness Janet Akrofi.
Alani Yesuti, he gave me peace.
AKA Swagger Mama.
He healed me.
Na oka no asaliti.
Yesuti, Alani.
Wow, oh yeah, amazing lady I've known for years. Now she has a beautiful story.
Alani Yesuti.
Enti ene wie ye nene betwetwe nkomo. Auntie Janet me ma wakwa eba Sompa delight so.
Yeah, na mama.
Oh, it's a joy to see you, eh?
Yeah.
I think the last time you share January. Area will launch na sinti.
January.
That's right. Well, that's right. Enti opa enyumi huntoma on the 4th of January. I na Abena Ruthy me ko hobby. Ne ye soko keke. Asa ojegu mono. My God. Ne amazing. Auntie Janet.
Mama.
Yeah, ma wakwa about one more time.
Yeah, na mama.
Na for the sake of etiefo ntino, ma ye wabakwasem kakra. Why ni Janet Akrofi? Dabe na wo hye nyum to ase bibia wa fefefe bia no ma ye kakra na yenko.
Yo. Me da se mama. Me din the Janet. Dickness Janet Asabia Akrofi. Enkane no. Me din the Janet Akrofi na medical school.
Okay.
Enti so obi nim me school days na onim me se me Janet Akrofi.
Okay.
Me fie din the baby ya.
Yeah.
Me ware ye na me be ye Janet Bafo Akrofi. they say masanya ko Janet Akrofi enti they say the nipa nyina nim say me ye Janet Akrofi me ko asori wo the Church of Pentecost na ne atie ne say me sha nyum to ase no na me swa
okay
na ebra me register me ye me nyum a edin kan no 2013 na me launch me first album enti second album ye 2015 na me ye singles 2 being so ewa chire ba kokra ye political song ye asumdwe hu nyum to no asumdwe hu dawrubom
yeah my election dia
yeah my da bi obi a mo me pa me ana me ye
okay
obi a mo me pa me ana me ye nti enu a chire no na edidimu a me jai to ho kakra sanse oboafo obi anim na edin so no kwasam wa wo be ko studio aye obi bia ansana obi be ye nwum awi a obeka se o lanche kura no na ne awo from no na nye fedi agro nti ibejai to mu kakra na me ye adwuma foforo me ye fashion and design
okay
see me be focus on me adwuma no pa eno nso akire no me be ko school kakra journalism school kakra
yeah
enti me be ye program host TV program host
yeah
na me ye asujafo nkomo
ampa me kai papa
na me ni asujafo di nkomo
yeah
ene wusuja die mu na me kire wo mo emasam kwanya mema fa so buma kwanya ma so fa so buma enti na me kire pa enti maba woni mrantie de wonyina beti mi din se me ye swaga mama enti swaggers de wo fra me swaga mama o ka swaga mama na maje so wo swag enti sa na mi din ebeye
me fa bibi kakra ntwam enti esuja fon komo na wodi na ye experience na wodi mankofo na say esua ami bibi na wasua na wo kire
no kwasem na ewo mi mu
okay
say my year youth adwuma sa enti no kwasem na ewo mi mu eya aduma chede a awurade dudum me
okay
me kire youth no even efa babia nti enum no me hu se me ko school kakra ka ho a ebeyeye nti me koye journalism kakra di sua kakra ka ho nti na masua kakra ka ho no na say me nso me fa awaresem no na me mpese me ya awaresem ni nyina bom fi se obia tena TV so na obia ba radio so a oya awaresem nyina bom
okay
inti me focus on asujafo
okay
ema ni mema
okay
tina me ni asujafo edi nkomo pa nti eno nana me ni je hu se me ye nti eno nana me ye
wow nyame show enti from there no then edem biom ne see
yo enu no na me be yare kakra na yare ni nyina ne se na efie nsem kakra nti ebe ma mi benya tipaye migraine mitifa ebe ye me ya pa na enye fedi agro no kwasem ene meti wona shase a itimi kamusa hata chese me woso sana me nkai hospital me nim hospital manko chimpa nanso ni nyina mu enwi akire no ansa na tipaye no ebeto me no na moja apaye gu mitrim
wow
ti moja apaye gu mitrim no na doctors so mu ntimi nya ho hwe because mintini no ahono ma moja apaye gu mitrim moja na apaye gu mitrim na be kata mani so enti miti hweyi no mi hu ade ye mi hu ade a ka mani ni ka kre bi ne hu se e bi asunsun ene obi twam a metimi ahunu kakra bi
wow
wo ba bi obegina me hunu wo ba bi obegina me hunu nti eno na ama mani enhuna de esesei
wow
na adum ni nti na meda somete ase yare a ebo me no na eyowuo yare na nyame adum na ama meti ase na esanse me yanwum tuni na mayanwum a atwam ana me anya se mayatwam mayanwum pani nti no na meda so wo nwum tuo ni mu me ya madwen se me nka me ho nhye bio mepi abonte nti awurade ina ode me api.
Hallelujah. We dey preaching no. So the story is that now when the whole you could see clearly for some part of your life and are currently why are visually impaired to me who are there based on circumstances I'll go through. And yes, as a fear situation on a building up to where and I be yaribia na wo
me pa cho yam fan wo me anya yare bi nso na wo me mu me be ye depressed into depression no anokwasam ya afutu ya se me de man crofo ni se se wo hu se e bia obi a opekasa ana obi opa agorodie eto da bi na ontimi ndi agora na ontimi nka ne hu nko nipam te se ne oye na me pa cho twi ben no na bisa no ana woni ni nkomo me nkamasam na me nam aware semu nti me nkamasam nchiro obi afi se na mejimi hudi se me ye kristoni nso de wokoka wasam a kire hwan ne etoso mienu na me ye counselor a me tu mabawa ne mrantiafo nti na minim se me TV so the moment I make come asam a kire obi ni kire se me buni pa na bam.
Wow.
Enti na me pese me kama asam a kire obi enti nia ha me nyina hye metrim men kan kire obi a edumri bi no na fe de me ntimi nkoni pamu bi mfi se na nia ha me ntimi kan kire obi a no abro me so ti ubehu mi a na adwuma kura me ntimi nye.
Wow.
Ti ubehu mi a na me hye ba bi kom eno na ma me depressed ema mintini na adwentwene ni ankoso ye ni anko ye no
ene ma yare no ebaye
nti yare ndi na nyema bibi so na ebaye
ye da nyame ase say fast forward no we free saate bi ni mba me pese me ma wo ye bibi so to omo a ebi a te say wo position as a counselor ene obi a wo ne nkofu enya nkita hodi nti no na wontumi enyi ni a ha oni mpie no then na be catch on because already no waka kire yen say so obi hu so obi no ye gidigidi na afa wa ye calma ye mben no but ni o wasa position mo te say na wo na ontumi nka na sem no then na be catch no
me da se mama ni atia ni say me ka ma wiase nyina ti plain say counselor bie ni hu a na wari enkoyi obaba be kase na wari ekoyi enkoyi o counselor bi esane se onu na otufu ni ntino enkoyi a obeka se ekoyi na nso na onamu pa se nyame anye na bebre ubehu na wawu enti edin se mia mi tufu ana se mia me kire wa wari ekwan no me anya me ba beka din ye pa bebre namu me no ka say mama bebre namu a wontumi nka ho asem
ti safo no munye den je say omun best out another because see no unse o build up no and e dey ba high enti no I mean having experienced that no yen ka de enche because obi wo ho pe bibia ope one word be able to me ama na ba out na fe ne ho wade ne ho you know
me tu obia fo say se we gina position bi te say we ye sofo we ye counselor na se bibi hawa we de won fan to bedwa nyina animu a pe nipa ba ku bi a wo gini di na woni ni ndi nkomo woni ni di nkomo a wo ka kire no no ma nyansa foforo na adwene foforo no emma biribi fiu mu esin say untumi nka kora
yeah
esa ekum nipa pa ekum sunsum ntipe enti nanka ye fa damfo no nanso ni sese ya ama ye gya namfo fa ne se me kekan ode betene nanso ye wonipa bi nso wo mu a wo mu mpene asem ye wonipa bi ye wasofo bi wo ho ye wa enkrofo empanifo bi wo ho a omanu ye duru se wo hwehwe a wo behuru bi na woni ni di nkomo a wasem erinko ba bia enu mo be boa sense wodi be show mu na ayawo yare ana akoye wowo wu a bibia asa
na asa so aga mama we wa yenhira enti eyamede so wati niema mienu mu the fact that obi a you know we leading kofu na say we advising kofu we fa ne man show mu say we sure of who you are talking to a Udia fa kunwa posi dem de bia meka fa kunwa posi dem na ne unya menka talk to God, talk to him na obemwa wo ho nyame nkonko boayen you know emma emfa wonko du te bia bi mu a ebeye west na mpo wonkakora wo de atwa so enti no ewie so aga mama wa yenhira pa
nyame show
but yembra wo swag ne so na chetani a wo hire na nya easy etiefo ko Facebook Sompa106.5 FM Accra Mr. Okohona ko hwe swaga mama se ne wa swage hey enye easy enti January like I said all the album ba abonten and I pa hontoma and emu bi na yete ye na yenkotie enwom no ba ko nka ho na afi ye meka enwom na sem be bia ebenye bi wo chale mi feel you just you ne ho akọ and this is a life throwing lemons at you and you making lemonade out of it just tibia na wa betom no bi wo ho anka tibia we nko mfiri mu mfie o enka no no they are called but this woman has experienced like because me I said before now no me events early a friend is saying I mean 2016 thereabouts in early even 2020 thereabouts or something obeba no abe cover no ye juma wo media house no aba no abe cover program no you know no more opportunity no now here's somebody like a decade after why visually impaired but it's still not limited or that's why or that's why try in fact we had a conversation after the launch and she was like ambassador Emma Disabled Association for no to me this is somebody who is willing to preach you know what will make somebody go out there and be who they can be irrespective of their condition. Let's enjoy this song.
Henceforth I will be your guide. Say yes, the Lord. Yes, you shall me for. Since then he's been my guide. I see that you've not met. Henceforth I will be your guide. Say yes, the Lord. Yes, you shall me for. Since then he's been my guide. I see that you've not met. Oh yes, you are.
Kaya sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrem ha no ebi ni ba bi a gi se 21st clinic nkoa wo mo de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wo aduane ne wo aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes so apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 eye 05947972115 for na would dem
eh medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoyi na me de me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo yas herbal yas whitening and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa
se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha from Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy
tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen
ne e fadwen ampa se na nim se brebi beba ama tonti na 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru
tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
tonti na 74 yinso yaye no sensuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
se mennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa
woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratwe yi atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brem. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai to us Sompa First Service. Ewo homayen enye TV program keke. Eyebra osro ne asasi hia. Eyebro Onyankopon kasa kyenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family. and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa first service entwa wo ho hoda ya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Swaga mama, my acapella, kaka. If I sing along, nya acapella.
You. Asida nyum na meto. Oh Yesu me da wasio. Asida nyum na meto. Oh Yesu me da wasio. Asida nyum na meto. Oh Yesu
Utumi who say your original nankasa. Utumi
Asida nyum na meto. Oh Yesu me da wasio. Asida nyum na meto.
Me da say asida nyum na yebeto ampa. Oh, Bible say in all things we give thanks.
Hallelujah.
Na yeda nyamia se no na oye more maye. I mean, we are encouraged this afternoon. In fact, ye chemu koton ade kakra ba ye nti ye betie fu akwa ba. Na enti enyum we no aba out e we hefa.
Me pa cho enyum no e wo audio mark ne enyum platform ni nyina so. O bo baby ya asabia musica obenya.
Okay, YouTube
YouTube there no kwasam ne etie ne say enyum no sa metie mi ana me ye mi bribia obia so mu mame mi ana me ye mi bribia nkakra na me de ye nti baby a metimi ye kodu ya ne say me record ya me launch ye
okay
ehwa na edu ye nti na entimi nko YouTube because me ntwa video bia sanete
na say that ya etumi ye lyrics video enti no ye betumi ye lyrics video ne de ato ho aha enti ene ye hwe say ye betumi ayesa lyrics video na why enti na pictures bi twegu say nye necessarily wo video no na fe eno so akoto ho ansa na wo video ankasa beba enti we'll see how that can go, but why are there? Why are there? I mean, you are an encouragement,
Yeah.
Say bibisa to minim story enti no minim sania Jenny na ye no, and say baby okodu ye no nanka obi anko be boto obi anko be give it up, but she didn't. And now what ba through and then I mean she say emuje nyunu wo wuti near there that na akose ayama weni efra, you know, it's not an easy situation to be in, but nyame adom wabedu ha and I will say won't na hokwa and then no the amount no de bekoso a preachy through nyum to meaning say now we are very active sorry right now we create position na there then he found our survey wo
me wo my emeku penida my district youth leader my singles just say me juma me di juma bebre ene nyina no me gusu eye
o branch ne ne we
me wo Lankwanta 9
okay
Bethel Assembly, the Church of Pentecost.
Ehwana ye lunch
na right. Ehwana ye lunch.
Okay. I see. Ewo Madina someone come down hono. Yeah.
Madina area. Apostle MS Apia ni diem. Onu na se okura me mu. Ene me mai nyina mu.
Wow.
Apostle MS Apia woni ne yire Mama Dora. Won na aboa me pa metimi agina me nan so no kwasem sanka woni abrabo ni mu anka ankoyie
wow
nti ni me ka kire enipa nyina ne say disability is not inability.
That's right.
So what did dem anu nkire say wuntimi nye bribia me ma me dem die enhye me so me ma ne so enhye me so because
that's right.
Me to we me senior ma me ye aduane wow me ye bribia bi me pamade atade ehye me mia na me pamoye
wow
mia na me pam mata me bibia me hye mia na me pam.
That's amazing.
Mia na me ye enti me ma disability ana edem die no enhye me so fi say baby a me pese me kobia no kwasa me mayinti se me kasa me konko ade a wababo amya mmako me madem die enhye me so enti mitimi ye bribia enena mitie osofo ba ko Sompa FM ha o se wo besan ya ware bio na me se ye me
amen
besan ya ware bio
wow
yes
amen
nyame ya aduma fi se me madem die enhye me so
that's right
sa nye ye no nkire se ntimi nye ye bi ebetimi ya ye
wow
ni a mesre awrade ni say obema me obi obeso nwum yimu ama me me mpa dodo bia me pani ebema me nsa akoma no keke na menya bia hwe me ma eno na me hwehwe ni obeboa me na me nwum to aye dwumadie eno na me hwehwe
so aga mama ye wo panelist ba ko ya oba ha Reverend Eason or ye music at treasure also obey video ama also obetra video ama obetra video ama enti wonyom no video bebe ene say album ni nyina na ono so dem nim ni nwuma album ni nyina na opese oye kro be enti also obetra video ama why na be ato
nyame nshira na nyame nshira ono kire say meti wei da bia ne ameka ne say sese ya meti wei pa de enye sika dodo bi na me pre ape enti minyane a obeso nwum ni mu ama me kakra eni ejenet program bi wa ha besinko ma koye ni kakra bi eno pe enye wiase nyina enti nyame onhyira no papa
amen
na yebedi nkomo minim se wo hoi die yebedi nkomo because we are sister baby minim se yebedi nkomo
nyame ne hene na
yebedi nkomo
ewie wa ye nhyira ma ye nyina
nhyira mo
me the inspiration I find is the fact that wa situation no anhye wo so amfa wa nkoti bi mu a chese wo sorry a enye ye but wa sorry waka ena awrade adom wo de ye ne a wo be ye enti no nyame no so a wa so ni mu na wo koso asom no obedoma boa
amen
obedoma boa enti and then no say wo final words be able to me e de atudwa enyom no ye be bo ene DJ bit rich it's mice obebo ama papa because wo kase nyina na asem na touch na kuma producer so sa to no boni tinko enti no bia wa ha bia ebe so ma bo ama nwumi akwa ekiri ai enti no wo final words bia fatudwa na ende we call it a day
mama nyame onhyira o onhyira wapamfo ne waboafo nyina
amen
na me ba na me se me be so me sisa boaji mu
ai
me se me pese me tachi ne keke
ye be hwehwe na ma wa
me sisa boaji
ai akosia ago avoid madam communication
communication
oh yeah to send a voice no anti ako
me se me pese me feeling no keke no kwasem nyame onhyira mo papa
amen onhyira
na ni etie ne se da bia me ka se enyumtofo se ye pe radio station mu kwanya agi se ye ma yankrofo ni bi ekoho ye pe TV station mu kwanya agi se ye ma yankrofo ni bi ekoho we nye election MPP ni NDC debi se ekuo na ye wo mu no se ya moabo ye ho a ye yankasa ye ndi yiye na ye nkoso women in gospel music minyaya na nke me atunwum nyina ewo mu bi nanso ka ebi nti ase na yɛn a yɛwɔ mu no kwasɛm yɛdi ade enti meka sɛ obi amfa ne ho mahyɛm afei ni ameka ne sɛ wo biribi adidam a ɛdam die no ɛnyɛ owuo ɛdam die no ani da so wɔ hɔ me 4 years pani nanso me wɔ gidie wɔ awurade mu sɛ obetumi ayɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ yɛ a no nkyerɛ sɛ ɔntumi nyɛ na ɛsan sɛ obetumi ayɛ ne nti menka me nsa nhyɛ me damiri fam me se ɛbɛyɛ yie Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego almost say yɛn Nyankopɔn na ntimi agye yɛn mpo ɔhene yɛn koto wo no na nyame gye wɔm sɛ nyame anyɛ sɛ mani bebie mpo a ebia na kwan we so ɛna ɔde me bɛkɔ akyiri me nso so magye ato enti ne a meka ne sɛ wohu sɛ obi adidam a ɛntwetwe no ohia wo mmoa boa no kakra bi na ɔno nso bɛdi yie amen nyame ɔnhyerɛ obi biara meka sɛ mebobɔ din a mɛyɛ mfomsoɔ na edin baako a mebɔ ɛyɛ Apostle MS Apia ɛne Mama Dora ɛna mesɔfo Pastor Minta ɔma boa me papa sɔfo nyinara nyame ɔnhyerɛ obi biara da obi biara se adwumayɛfoɔ nyinaa wɔ ha minim sɛ mahu mi mo bɛboa me ho yakɔnɔ mete sɛ nkyena ma me ho yakɔnɔ minjeja me ho because me was swag yes swag mama me here say obi aso me inside me agina platform ne so ene me buge ama Christ me swag no esum Christ that's right obi adide mu antu ni mu nhyapono mu yini pie enhye dem yini pie na dem die nyowu minim se mekomanim ubekọ awurade de me bekọ nso amen so agama nyame hwa so pa na ne da wakoma so bia no me gidi se obeye enti sompa de ya so mu bia be kama wate nyame hwa me da se pa sa wo ba ye na me chia wo sweet girl na one ne ba ye ne so ai sweetheart, God bless you for accompanying mommy. Ai nyame hwa no hwa wo mani nyina me maya fo omu nyina we amfama nko ha we ko school we de me beko we ko school that's right nyame hwa mo no mbie bia kwan ma omu nyina amen ai ye beko so e de nkomo nyame hwa so alani yesu Alani Yesuti, he has the whole world in his hand. Alani Yesuti, he's the rock of ages, fire and water. Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, Alani Yesuti, he's the Alpha and Omega. Alani Yesuti, he has the whole world in his hand. Alani Yesuti, he's the rock of ages, fire and water. Alani Yesuti. Alani ate. Osi Alani Yesute. And then my father beja 4 times kakra, but told me the mention because what would him say story no ne compelling. Me fa kwenye isu and wish birthday ya komona because we say komona ya starting page say ebeye me one interesting birthday wish be in there. Me now for phobia almost year 20. In fact, baako na minim no na baako de Sandra Dodu, and the other one Edith Sally Dodu. Now, interesting thing is that twins yo home. Ya wo baako 27th, and ya wo baako 28th. Into Osha Facebook, I'll be home picture. Sally me made to watch about her school. Ni nyina wa at 1. And na omu di birthday. And then another interesting thing about omu birth ne say baako ye wo baako by normal birth e won sa en sawam yeah. And the other one ye wo no by cesarean e wo kolebu
within 24 hours. Now, interesting. This is on birthday 27th, 28th. And I'm saying, God is so amazing, eh? Me story. And I'm saying, hey, Auntie Sally and Sandra, happy birthday to you. When you say Sally, dear, you're Ochna, but Auntie Ochna, so remember Sally, dear, and then Sandra birthday. Auntie Sally Dodu and Sandra Dodu. Nyamin Shamopa, only a great ladies are. She say, Omutie ye den, Omutie Sompa delight. And to me, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I beg your what's Nancy. Uncle Fred. Meanwhile, good afternoon. Nyamia dum patron na uswe.
Do got any besia na.
Oh. Kuse.
Sometimes you know. Do we not develop force kakati.
Easy.
If I have in the last better things than
oh, me no because I know my family time.
It's a time in the audio now. The audio now to Kakama.
Mofa chavi na so aga mama ne was say kana sem kakra. Who say interesting how condition be to me ba also in a lifetime na change bibia. And this is what happened to her, you know.
Autism and life in itself.
Interesting. We say on a man or akosio. On a man in the circumstances.
Very abstract. I really doing
that's right.
Weeping might come in the night, but
joy comes in the morning.
Do we get a dead? Maybe should I free? Maybe no. Life, it is a chroma, and the pity, close. The two close will catch it in a chroma, the other father, a fat chicken or life. Yes, Sompa. Pity the also no scavenger or the cobble of the same wings, you know.
Wow. Hey, Uncle Fred, no. Reverend Eason.
You see, in Chiako, Emma, it's your phone now. Yanko, my a Juada Fufro. Nti e ba se ye ba besom won Sompa FM. Ti anunti ne wa ha no.
E de jabia se won bravo. E da was say I mean mojibre na moba all the time. Nti ne nkomo ho. Nkomo ho nti ye de hwehwe so straight away. So I mean ye nyina ye nim say bibi trendy. Obi apre no ho ka se betia ayi osofo obi. I'm a fair the child baba. Emma in fact Julius another person so cracks ko pacho ni bi I na me who Uncle Fred post to Facebook and I'm say hey mommy yeah there's a wa pen who asem so I'm talking about the free zones board MD no the comment I'll make against Apostle Nyameche because of the Galam say issue no Galam say issue no kwa kan ha you know until I draw the ban stories and say almost to me baptism nsuo mu biom na nsɛn because of ye nyina nim sɛ nneɛma asɛ ne ade ɛna maami anokɔpre no ɛnokɔka sɛ hey obi dealing with papa no ɔntena ne nle mu ne ade afei ano yɛ hye no no sign by very retracted. Now the interesting thing is or retracting in fact as I read before I saw Uncle Fred's post on Facebook as I read the apology I'm say apology be ni kan ye san chire mu ntimi ko hu ye no and I'm saying say nyame nkwan ma hu say apology ni ya ma but ya san chire mu of course say other things are happening over the weekend but let's deal with the apology no and then I mean how presenting no answer one honorable Julius Zebra dia omukoye over the weekend no ye beka ho aseminti who goes first
say akwala no mra first on the or senior in the first place no nyenye
yeah
that is my first statement
okay
galam say nya enye
yeah
and let us look at it in this way ye wo maimu and galam say ekoso I would want to appeal to the general public say galam say enye political thing I was say yes for so eye ade a enye nti no se aban bi ba so a ma yɛmfa sombo ne nsoa aban ne se ono na ama galamsey ne ekoso
okay
nipa na ye galamsey no nti ekwan mu ma yɛbɛfa so as Ghanaians a yɛbɛtumi abɔ saa ade no ho ban na enkoso no eno na wɔse yɛdwene ho
okay
sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi ama nsuo no a yɛnyinaa yɛnom one day no nsuo no a yɛnom no ɛnkɔmfa nsɛm foforɔ biara mba because nsuo no ɛsɛe na ɛnyɛ mengye ndi sɛ President Mahama bɛkɔ akɔgyina beebi sɛ ɔyɛ galamsey ama nsuo asɛe ɔyɛ panyin onim sɛ ɛnyɛ saa so na we have certain government officials omo so nim say enye but in every ekro no ye wo mensa wom mensa nom na omo ma eniama enkoso ngie emma we but at the end of the day no eya na enkrofo full say akoye politics but mami bisa assembly what has Free Zones Board got to do with galamsey enye ni domain po.
No, they are not all kasa as a commentator. Matthias
here, but one say, "Wo can be beer." I was so busy on say, "Asam na America no." Ono ponanka was obe fuaso say, "Yenina yenhwe asam na okana eye de." But yenina yenhwe ne yen stop ade because it is not about baptism na ye wo mu no. It is about nsuo na say no.
Yeah.
Inti whether ye be baptism wo mu, ye nya baptism wo mu, nsuo ne say, inti ano na wose ye hwe ho asam ka. Eno na wose ehwe nwasem ka enye baptism aye koye wom anase we ono de o kana sem say first na yanke ye the baptism wom but nsuo na asay nti yentumi nye wom so it's a concern and nsuo na asay no ye o say ati ase say one day embre bi ba nsuo e benum po yenya because ni nyina na esay no it mean can me feel sen ko be fuas mum ka say even though wakan ye de but onu so feel sen kam odina no tum se ne be ya won ye mind no mo nye no kwan paso no wo mu betumi aye ni yie because mind ye wo ways wo betumi aye mind na eye kwan pa emansion say sa yeah to me yeah regularization in terms of section na enka bibia be koye ema bibia to ye
Enti like I was saying in the comment today, on say omo no ayana omo wo commentators are omo distribute omo to various stations near there internet omo no communication team no kan hu bi keke no say what say enye ni domain na bibi ono so oka communication team
I understand you oka communication team as a Ghanaian you have the right to say your opinion but opinion na woman no also ubisa won say e de mpuntu beba ana e de ebema galamsey na ekoso no aseye ana but oye na say papa na ye politics dear I have a problem with it. Obia want an opinion.
That's right.
To express his or her view. And all kind of so one can say abai na say nsuo no or say galamsey na say nsuo no. Why na ye galamsey? Menyi say abai na ye galamsey. E individuals na ye galamsey. It is a hon na o say de somwo ba. Menim say nko ka say e o say e pekwan bi na chichi omo ye saa de no because emwa oman no.
That's right.
Galamsey nye bibia ebo oman no. Inti no obi kan enya political I was say ye this adia na to nchen say ye blame NDC ye blame MPP e galamsey because that is not the right thing to do.
Now you fight it as
a country. It is a MPP no waswa e also boa NDC no more fighting the same cause no more so more so more fighting no.
That's right.
But say one say the way people present it our money yet to say government wom and I say na money koyesa but ye nyina ye as a country ni e pese koye dia me gidi say Akufo-Addo support wa the right thing on Mahama support his excellency President Mahama support wa and also the right thing to do and every public official be asked to support her. It is the right thing to do. Nsuo ne yeka wasem. The way aye na enye right no. Eno ne yeka wasem. Enye government ye ni nya.
Matthias. Reverend Iwald. Auntie Uncle Fred, your take.
So sure omamu especially nka ha amete ya. All the water bodies ni ya say. From baby away. Oh, qua Taifa Johnson. Then is concerned that Dahopa baby almost to tune Yahono. And a omo SCC was Naya saying, who do found consua after you ahead over Fraco Puquas and needs to kiss your pan and a Dahopa. I feel trouble question and needs home now. Someone who know what top ways. I feel if you know the SCC4 station. Zadie and ready to moi or back point a boy or the valleys, any mountains in the Bible. Maybe a valley will be in so hot. Can you get in an anom? So I'm going to pay back now. I'm sure mountain or a valley. I know about me in so they go and settle there. And Galam say, Yaba, it's so cool. Kumago was something. I in so what tabo dinner a walk on go now a catchment area. No, almost say when you're I mean, when you're in so to be asked, I did say to borehole are there, but borehole don't so. When you go upon you, now you don't do what the river by it, do a view or borehole the best. I know so Emma Bew. The Coban say, guarantee issues see now. I want for can't want some. Now, you might take a say when the anthill, the bluff holes are every species burrows its way. I say, it's about Hokkaya. I will be a Romubi. And then number 2. If you poke the eyes of the cadaver, you find maggots. If you somewhere near, the last one, not the least, or see the antelope will have gotten a befitting funeral, but for the intransigence of the leopard, every animal abstain. Nanka Dwana could be a year power. There's a quick man saying, no, I will be a year. So, show me article in our train. Yeah, Dr. Mary will see. Oh, Sasamba, so you mean about power. We didn't know the free crew back also. Nana. Ne maame papa eye meme nana munnua if any gidia town the Savior Church e fi osim e de betra e ba yagogo I see cha gogon ko ba bi e fi ba bi gidim etimi ni no wow if I'm not mistaken e bia onya on the late 40s obinya ne be ne eyi then I won fe de no kra nyam ne ho fe very pretty woman also na dia the sakwa no ko bi no akoko you see say enya platform and in your microphone, yeah. Sompa, so my article, the true idea be, semi ankasa. That was one of the most. A year already, so men know me who have seen there for the 2008 politics. So we say, Kufu Bagu record, and I Kufu the baby ni. Now could you piece of entertainment review for some of the programs. Ah, ben, tell him, now or ban no to embellish it. Oh, now mammy crack means here, you. Hey, Freddie man. I said, because we are before I realized, oh, don't tell them something. Okay, I come from this same after the Professor Williams. We are a million. For one man, them to be corridor also. So one or 2 and 2. So,
yes, Momo can say, oh, Mary resign it, and I said, me, it was
one of the most stupid statements I've ever made in the few honor over 30 years, 9 years. I'm excited because of radio so. Wow. It is a man can be minimum me fans of him. Maybe can be okay. When you about Dr. Mary, or I'm kind. I basically be ready moon, be ready moon. I say, you know, because previous not can send me. About the party say I need to work to win a call a I don't want funny crap. No, but I can't something demeaning about Samir and Baumia. Then yeah, as a woman to woman, no. Yeah. So that man for a channel. I was a back, you know, or Casa boat. Me, the man warning. Hey, man, sir.
Say 2 minutes did you know
and not chief of staff. Yeah, miniature. I know the baby sitting in a copy so that they need. Yeah. And chief of staff is also know. People must say, how emotional that man is. Or Donipa. Yeah. Seriously. You're for politics in 2 chain. What the politics took to share the dimmy and in it. Or I told me so from a price on a bar. Okay. You Accra for them. Accra. It's sure I also know, yeah, for politics, I don't forget to be a procure the John here that it is allowed. But say, on what or appointing nipa or a minimum, or man be general is true. Oh, no, you want. Let's say, Katana Katas, Petticoats of Fuikrano, Sabi, be chief of staff. On presidential staff are here for sample. And a petticoat for any this for me brave. Yeah. It is a cow cut out to my part, what to my bottom one and says, so now you did Ghana, Galam say you should be at Wickaby. Yeah. So, come on, can you problem? But okay, the way the language, you know, cow shit, no, koi, no, seven period. I pay ye. Then idea don't say when you apologize, don't explain.
Explain, yeah.
I'm sorry for what I did. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that again. Period.
Yeah.
Oh, then I can cry, I can just make out, and I'm crying move my losing body. Every statement, anybody can explain. It's that we cry a kumobi, then they call to a lawyer or how defending them. But Jacob also be a conscience.
Yeah.
So that's why we can't. Say that by you can say, "Be yes, we fair now." I say, at time for correction because I did more sorry than I want to. I don't know to still not at all. You didn't want to change it on it. So now we can catch a penny rough. It's me back to I don't know. So me you can very much be 9. Taking down no yeah, and was sharing the queen. The free zones board a man. What you come up for him. But said me kind no oma to say because they are man for a pro no and yeah easy just be an apostle nyame chenti na na man for you but yeah the two man for you say o man mu ha e kasa bi about the way our people vilify our leaders in the political leaders but why be blow some of them is the politicians too because we ba o kan or ba no baba baby and that is what is going on make by making and then me na mam koto che free gimu nyina I say
dum so
yeah I say the business for the bad
Sompa106.5FM
you come to me and you go osande for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and then 54 years who here then ko social media so ko say obi kura kan no a me na me tron sisi a o ofri abrochire bai in the 1940s middle baby na me ebisu do da breka na you so be say no that was the first room of Dr. Nkrumah and then 54 years. Oh, we gonna for cry kind of. It's why we are and then we about politics. Work sometimes you know over balance media anymore because I mean maybe anyone and Ministry of Tourism a buy a crown. Man, dear, I can be as a sound engineer if you know for global. My dear, I can used to make me a about Patino. Manco, it is Dr. Mary Uswako Accra FM. Now cancer way Dr. Pokun and then one wow she Papa your cousin and not president or appointee vice president chief of staff all the other I saw when you had to walk can't say from how will you feel when you're about so conscience wow to say no you have to show remorse
that's right
apology number was she remorseful to err woman what's it doing but on two woman yeah, when you say what did the help if Sassuma Mikokai, you can some abebremy. Say, man, we tell morning, let the bed channel. Now, I use to more fire, that is to free river. I don't know to that one, a light FM, light TV, I say, I got to new star. Now to that home. That will you say, more fire.
Na is it that say yenya positioner ayana usually the pride be beka ho na because more people
it is more crying more than they believe
if not
check and you hwehwe ne obi a wo take wager hill so now so be so no back kwa training or bring people so hwehwe mu
hey, I go friend.
That mean you be for
we are bad.
It's we here on so. Na me call we
that's how man for kwa bru jalo so ko bi.
And you tell me she was doing something to show say yeah, communication or yeah. So my warning, you say you can say anybody cry no.
Na ebu aka ni sim.
President I get to say remember now or baby
ye be.
You have been an ostrich. Omo ye ni omo. But before say tabia be free anymore. Ube say yi caterpillar ni yi. Everyone echo. Caterpillar won ko road omo ye di wo. Konongo pa police station ni. And they crave time in and you know be na railway station ni now. Police station ni na eyi ni galamsey ni. Now how you this no? Asusi da modu. What dem yi bi nyamia ye. Mizi mi kra obuda nkwa. Mommy, ma says so. A chat to keep you have. Your problem. Get it to get in Krahao. Oh, this is how I'm catching my swimming with the bottle water. I'm a mule. That inconsider bay.
Inconsider bay. Anyway, Yamra apologies, Neso. The second one now, Abemon over the weekend, Chief of Staff. I mean, Uncle Fred, I can't a lot about it, but was it necessary? Did they have to come to that?
Me too, Chairman, Chief of Staff.
Okay.
Why are dear pa? What should I say? Ubu mine.
Okay.
And ubu bia or mine. Into no me, if you make us say Chief of Staff. You are my man of the year.
The child pussy.
Me trying to pussy. Near Obia ni da form beyan or ye no.
Okay. Because any staff.
And the staff. And that is his nature too. And I do ye no son or no tie. Mpacho what am I say?
Okay.
Son or tie. That is his nature. Inti area me bo Chief of Staff abaso. E won your ye. And I me bo Apostle Nyameche so abaso.
Okay.
Say one fa obi a wakase tia no amfa nhye ne mu. Saa na wo se nipa bia ye. Obi ya bonitia wa Yesu kra de che ye nso ye momode ne mfa ye den ye mfa nche. Wa kire se oyo somfo, wa kire se odi asori enim, na wa kire se otumi de ade eche. Nti no meka sa asofo nyina mum ye nhwe ne a papa ya ye. Ni ya ye saa bi. Efe.
Now, what will say after a apostle can I say me ya apologies? I'll be better near the answer. Other so for no so you muti. Keke, there's no more China.
No, was a whole crown. Say apostle. Nyamiche ka say be name pa. What's all your preaching almost ask 7 or so.
Sana was say
budu say you crowd the crowd can on tinny case crowd.
Tinny case.
Until the case Dr. Pablo in 1982-83, obey a concert to Ikuma Bogata, and the about holiday set down and a comma. And I'm going to concert in Nisika. It is a keyboard and cotton in Sumano. Okay, don't go tell baby. Don't buy a concert in one of Dr. Pablo. Who was about certainly free baby stamp.
Some book is stamp wood. Yeah. No, they are Qatari busy.
Hey, somebody's crazy about
a young man or somewhere and I'm minister. Not palm me.
Oh,
then the nature be in we know obey hating now and obey your producer. That I'm Ghana from say TV3
yeah.
And the producer and I don't know I'm saying the next over now I hope a keyboard we find M1 keyboard M1. The whole Ghana tripping with me. Could you cheat and another so be and what and when you be do studio what I'm saying.
What about Tommy line?
Oh, producer could just come and say,
wow.
M1 keyboard and producer said no talk to no one open. What children you be? Also, Freddie, my open when you'll be away. Famano. Clean one by 1 hour.
Now, kind of say,
such an India.
And I'm saying, what can I say? Oh, so what about Bano? What I'm saying. Now, so young boy, you're not if you be a pound. Boy, I'm saying, Mia, or Bonnie News.
Oh,
yes. Ah, friend, you are saying. You are saying, but see, I collect no moon.
Yeah,
but who not very.
No be any more brain point.
It's Dr. Mary. We should be a free buy. Yeah. I'm one fair. I won't use you. Now we just read those 20 TV because why, yeah? No, also, no, why, yeah, I can't say me. Yeah, more fire, yeah. It's any day. Yeah, what one on apple. Hey, no, up him. A worker that seems serious. Just about Chief of Staff as you.
Yes, serious. So let's go pump him more.
The history of the whole.
Yes, let's go pump him.
Young fan channel.
Oh, check the channel. I am in the fan channel.
You cry words like this.
But I said,
oh, quine. I couldn't do any, but oh, quine is a name. Oh, yeah.
I see a idea now. Who quine?
Say that can be a Miss Metal in one. Fancy criminal bombs green chicken.
Maybe
man, Hano.
Go drink deep.
Because of my experience on radio, I've talked on the radio for almost 39 years.
Yeah.
First time GBC said I need a child sound. No, you use square by and I know every chance and then about a year, quarter to 3 years. That's it. Million bar, I will see. in your was Santiago for to go when what's it. Beautiful enough for me. Because who's standing as an independent candidate?
And now, when
2012, and 2016, and this is for parliamentary candidate. And when now, time on him coming for the President Day MP or Santiago. Never part of the much the digital.
Okay.
How much of that didn't share the same train on MP?
Wow.
Did that all worry and make no fun set me, Papa? Never actually did mean for Java. So another Dr. Mary was because you knew ban or worry.
Oh.
Yes, that was the day I mean, SAG pleasantries.
Wow.
Beautiful woman. In fact, the woman here and the back. I don't way I go before so woman once. Then you should have from
now, Unim, who can say I go for can be Sana apostle ne MP Susu Bekasaye. Sasem Adena or Yeno, a tia munina, intino, yes, and go far no tribal so. MP to MP, this, that, intino, Wunkwa, we are dear no, and you also won't now you, but now affect the community, Nina, baby Alfie, a behind is a casa for
Bible say there is life and death in the power of the tongue. As someone a becano, a bit to me in Sembi, Abanti, Casa, Yen, Shenia, Ye, in Bisasa, dear Ye can, who soon sign so, or Chna, a day.
Said I'll be on your concert. Yeah, I don't cry. Our keyboard and see me from out.
So chose or no, your cantata.
I said,
on your concert, or your cantata.
No, I had to say, already a grown up, Obia near Bonnie and
India, no India.
What bonnet, maybe a wookrabby be a 1 man. Now for your hand, Shana, wow, bonnet, Timothy was there, Machimbo Miko. Yeah.
Because Papa don't say, you know, American, and the picture shows say, President, who's a president and vice president, Unyanko finds him. So you can see how important
high power delegation.
I call what I say. Now more call my chief of staff soon. And they patch because of you. Because I didn't even go say man. Oh yeah, they marry. I do good ideas. Oh, I been. Oh, you. But Subanya the idea. I'm found one to say next time piano. Be a make a officer or coach I could treat anymore. I could treat him 7 years by your possum. Now you have no be a possum come as a man.
Exactly.
Time. That's why I wrote that article and I think say we should actually 99.5% will be enemy was a masterpiece.
I mean that's the reason we picked the
topic. About Trump about RNAQ.
Okay.
Richard Ni Amakwi.
Yeah.
Now Augusto Casa.
So our Muslim say so wouldn't move our Muslim. Hey, Ben can be that just say. Okay, send me your kind and one. 7 periods of woman. So no buy a yen tacos. In the process of Muna, we enjoy ecstasies. No, would we can send be? Yeah, that's a crown.
Yeah,
and you know, married baby room, Robert can say, Obama can the above a difference. Miss me, was a Muslim, ya, be now Coco Busano. What I just mean, because Abian I did we have my man, son of a scientist. Let's behave and then behave well in our society. Say, you mean, entry of what's it? Yes, I say, because God, I say, we are than the politics.
And no, I
saw man, you can't text my Musa, that's the government or NDC. You could go back. Then so a bay you can't control me. Hey, and I now when I call you, not Michophobia more. No one I did to be beer, but defend it.
Yeah.
Oh, and yet.
Serious, dear. Anyway, and then my family time, baby. My family time,
no problem.
Better is over, isn't it? My mini tidy.
No. I mean, this about today. My young muscle car was so. I was so. And the Methodist software in Asemia. Say, Udim say video na a buy, you know, before or more election. Now a bit more few say a scheme because a year older seven. And now, almost to two video na mama ne be say and na tight say
old. February about 3 months ago.
Yes.
3 months ago.
Yeah.
But I'm a public domain anymore.
Dabi.
And who lick it? Hey, you're right.
Sure. And teacher say, ye are so of how they kata.
Me normally, in fact, say me yeah. I never come in here with social media to share somebody's post. So say a video, man can watch them. and it's a mammy is say me could tie from conversation
okay.
And some of my comment on short videos it doesn't be
because
obi I make statement of free premise to be and be baby na tight training there no na no make sure say asori ko inipa bebre akwadro especially in the cities baby etie no emu ay den so be sori akọ and then answer krom say can you the presbyterian church am for na ntiko na kwa dia bobo ya no nia na dia na ko but the church no so hia sika to offend say operate the church because omo nyi sika bia mfi aban bia ho to obo ano a amanfo tua no ana amanfo yi but tight training there ade complex I don't want to talk about it so bia na ni believe ho any ade o kan na no offense bebre but so for no can same bi na ade o de ko kan asem e ko fa asem so am roba no and anya ma me ne de what is I mean no mo treat sika ne bebre o ha accountability to man so that was the time for also for that time to revenge and you know there are a lot of church members who are balled up because say asori ba yare a e ka se yengo mpa yema no also for yima de say yemfa to so do na say yemfa yifa komo you see the church also for no two kind no oba not the church member it abai bibi o ha the lifestyle of certain things can you praise we no money pay the kono o here suffer now suffer na those times no more no me say keyboards bo Presby church ago around 1975 so for different so for anani o kwa no apam wow e be wi ase hu na ne ba na ebo keyboards no ke ye no bi you go share boy dey fa mo asori no cause oya wo emu the church no could have given us the opportunity I mean ma ko so ma dey o ba bia ya me na me fa be bo ma
yeah, and no class uncle Monica because I don't see instrumentalist me into
it is also Ghana high instrumentalist. Munya kwan boss say keyboards na. Ada say papa headmaster. Catechist. Osofu ba. Lawyer. Omo was it was best say ya best na papa kwa master. That's why Bob Fish enu na mo keyboard ko ti obo delay ko ti obo. Akobo master presby na papa na catechist. They were able to have access to those kind of the church activities no. Akoye baby to ameno and someone can it came from setting and then maybe a boil it up.
Yeah.
Sorry, to a catch up and say because of set tight how many people be just and it's true. Because tight, you know, would try 10%. It is 70,000 boy, but I just said a and I'm a year. The 100,000.
So 100,000 manages out you 10,000.
You take to who seek them. It's an independent break. A sorry, I did free for a bar. It's for no sorry. Because we are for no. That as a lie.
Obi had any problems ever.
The church I am on share
come on. What point are now okay, my mom bremo na your time is nature.
Let me say
some idea be your happen yes am get.
Mogusa.
Sorry dear ye tight based on biblical principles because you say a man and fast war so and our church settings now the only way income is generated and as sikaba asorimu through tithes and offering and one omodi tia asofo and one omodi tia lights bill and one omodi share ebinum kra omoye omuko school. For example, when you come to Royal House asori bi eni Ghana ha wetumi ahwe nkwala akọ university level to say senior Apostle General Sam Kranchi Accra. Oh yeah. Or share instrumentalist. Wow. Or share yes. Which means say at the end of the day no asori sikana ye dey ya eye adwuma. What ni American say. And as a woba Methodist church case here election be no more na Solomon we very Reverend Solomon or no or yes secretary sign out for or secretary was sunyane and ni on contest no ba ko ye lecturer we Trinity College and another one no new D first no or no see secretary for sign out Kumasi and no more contested but fortunately no ba ko na or come ho na odi third wa ha no or no D first or not.
Oh.
Inti onon as we speak presently on no be bishop for the northern region.
Okay.
Normally they go through a process.
Okay.
Inti no that is the reason why in Kofor ka say bia elections no baninti na obi what access to that video now or release to put this one at a disadvantage. Yeah. Because social marks on in the crowd round way nke bia nke nye video ya nka bia obetimi ayade. And one thing that we should also know is say sorry mu even with elections cry na politics bim nkofo wo mu favorites any ade
ayehu
I don't cry a serious for saying abontain there
and come on I now see Abena Ruthy enti Uncle Fred and Reverend Edison me namase me say bebe wo ha na campus amoka wo fa cha me wate na swaga ba my was here to me man a chance kaka neja obe display na Reverend is here that say wa accept so be video amano nyame show papa me koso ada say na me de asida ma Lexter Company Limited, producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Ma wo say enye fefefe stretch ahoma. Aye. Inti reach them on 050-161-9588. Kumasi 050-139-0338. Me wa birthday wish from Elder Jerry, me producer. Or say a comma or Church of Pentecost. Abeka Central Assembly. Inti Uncle Derek Amankwa, Elder Jerry say happy birthday. God bless you. Madam team phone na ase yenyanka ko woni ebe to aso but e be na ye be enti Rich Bet my DJ papa Madam say Lady Joanne